Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Painting Hyun. Today I'm going to have a class specifically for people who are drawing flowers for the first time. All flowers are beautiful to look at. However, I think it's not easy to draw flowers like they are alive. We should get a feeling from a finished painting, like a flower is lively and wild or calm and elegant, something like that. So there need to be some movement, right? So also I highly recommend to you practice drawing plenty of times. Draw, sketch with a pencil, anything and everywhere around you. So when you have a free time, feel free to draw anything everywhere with your pencil. So don't get too much stress, okay? And now let me show you how to draw easily. You have to remember three things. First, you need to understand the structure of the flower. How many petals and does it have? How many petals does it have? Is there a stamen in the center or not? The second, how is the shape of the flowers from different angle between front view and the side view and these 45 angles view. And third, remember this shape of the stem or and some leaves. Okay, so look at these beautiful flowers. These flowers name is daffodils. Okay, so here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 outer petals with one round petals inside, and stamen and pistils. Okay, they are all bright yellow. Yeah, so beautiful. So now this cherry start only. Today I'm going to just draw with the pencil, and then next time I will draw. I will paint with in watercolor. Okay. Okay. First step: draw a big oval shape. This I'm going to draw a little bit of side view this way. Okay. Okay. And first, draw big oval shape. Okay, and if draw. I'm going to show you this front view. This is too light. I'm going to use a H pencil. Big oval shape, and in the center, small oval shape, and here is a stamen and pistil here, and then three petals like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the center, pistil and stamen here, and this small circle round. This very much curly here, and then shape has 6 petals. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is structure petals, the center. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. This shape is the center of this daffodils flower shape. Yeah. And yeah, this one is the center front view. And then I'm going to draw the side view of the daffodil flowers, and then I'm adding some shading. Okay, so first draw big oval shape here, and rather small oval shape inside. Here is some stamen and pistil here, and then view is we can see side of the petal side here, and this is the petal center, 6 of outer petal. Now, and then next step is shading. Start with HB pencil. Use different type of the line, straight line and some abstract line. Also use curve line here. Okay, now I'm going to use the 4B pencil. Okay, here is some stamen and pistil here. So this point, this area is the darkest area. So I'm doing now make the darkest point here. So I'm using 4B pencil. And then this petal, inside the petal, if we want to make a little bit of pop out, so you should make a little bit depth behind this petal area. So here, I'm doing a little bit make depth here. Okay, almost done, and I'm doing now detail area, draw some, make some depths and erase some area, so make sure define this shape. Okay, I'm done this drawing. Next time I'm going to paint in watercolor. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.